Hello, hello, hello. I hope all is well with you and your family. Welcome for another day of live technical analysis where you can know when to enter, where to place stop loss, and where to put your take profit. We are an educational platform and you can check our previous live stream where you can learn and add to your trading strategy. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe or else Bagdanov will dump on you. Feel free to ask questions and suggest coins so we can add it today. Okay, let's now check our coin. Hello, hello, hello everyone. Hello, RVL. Hello, Mia. Hello, Ariel. Hello, Myla. Hello, Ben Amairo. Elid. Hello. Hello, Lodi. Hello, RA. Hello, Matthew. Thank you for joining us today, okay? So today is Friday and usually Friday is a dump day, right? So Friday usually is a sell-off day. But I think the sell-off happened already yesterday, okay? So we'll see what is in store for us. Our technicals is already in sell, okay? So we are hoping that this is already, we reach already the bottom, 40,000. And we are bouncing again to the upside. Okay, so our internet is now back. Thanks to our PLDT business plan. Okay. Okay, so basic technical analysis that I can teach you is this VPVR, okay? VPVR is short for Volume Profile Visible Range. It is a technical indicator used for volume trading. The VPVR indicator plots a histogram over one side of the chart that reveals the price levels with most traded volume in your currently visible range of the market. Hence the name Volume Profile Visible Range, okay? So it looks like this one, okay? This is the VPVR right here, okay? So we are using it right now here in this area, okay? So in weekly time frame, okay, this is our VPVR, okay? The volume below right here is, there is not much volume here compared to our volume here to 41 to 42 500, okay? So there are resistance in this area. Okay, there are resistance in this area, but here there is lower volume. Okay, there's not much trading in this area. You can see this as a horizontal support and resistance. Okay, it's a horizontal. Okay, so it's a support and resistance. The bigger the trading volume, the stronger the support resistance. Okay, so let's check in daily time frame. Okay, so in daily time frame, we are actually holding on. Okay, we are holding on in this area and we are trying to break this volume here. This 4900 up to 41700, okay? I told you we broke our uptrend for bullish zone. We are about to enter the bearish zone, okay? Unless we break the 200 moving average, then we can see more to the downside. And it's good that we are able to hold, the bulls were able to hold this bearish zone right here. So we can expect that we can stay in our bullish zone. We don't know yet what will happen, but if it breaks, we will be seeing 38, 37, and then test the previous low. Okay, so that would be risky for the bulls. So if the bulls will not hold this area right here, you will put to waste all your effort in pumping this hard to the upside. Okay, this pump right here, 26% pump. Okay, a 9,600 movement will be put to waste and will go back again to the bear zone. Okay, hello Angela. Hello El Negro. Sorry I'm late. No problem, bro. No problem for late. Okay, Chris Cruz, hello, thank you for joining us again. Okay, so this is VPVR in the side, okay? How to find the VPVR? You just click the indicator, and then from clicking it, you just type VPVR, okay? And then you see the volume profile visible range, okay? You use it. You will only find it in TradingView. Okay, so you will not easily find it in others exchange. You cannot find it easily, so you can use it here, so you can know when is the coming support again. So if it drops, it gonna find its support here, 899. Another drop, find supports here, 38,500. Okay, you can see the price target here from the double top. Okay, double top. Let me show you the double top. Okay, here. Double top. Where are you? Here. Bearish double top. Okay, double top. M pattern. Others call it M pattern, but this is double top. So the breakout is to the downside. And you can just see our double top or M pattern. The breakout to the downside is 38. Okay, this price target here is from here. Okay. So the breakout pattern, if it continues, this is our price target, 38,500. And you can see it fits well with our coming support. Okay, we might bounce here. If we break this is weak volume here. So we might find support in 38,552 and then go again to the upside. Okay, but we don't want to see that kind of move, but we cannot dictate the market. We are only showing you what the market is telling us. Okay, so this is VPVR for you. If you look at it in 4-hour time frame, so this is 4-hour time frame, and you can find the support in this area, 40 to 40,800. Okay, that's the support area you see. Okay, let me open the awesome, and then let me open the moving average. Then let me open it to 200 moving average to know the bears. Okay, and I will show you something. Okay, here. So our 40 and our 0.618 golden ratio. Okay, we are having a support in this area. Okay, so we are finding support in our 200 moving average. We almost dropped straight to the downside, but our 200 moving average is where we found our support. Okay, which means if we found support in this area, which means it's going to the upside again. Okay, but if we break this 200 moving average, we're gonna go even deeper. Okay, hello Sam Wazon, hello Jan Anyora, hello Rio Ichiban, hello, yan. Okay, so this is what we are looking at in BTC. Okay, so I'm just showing you how to use the VPVR. Okay, this is a sideways showing you the volume of support and resistance. Okay, so we're gonna have a hard time finding we're gonna have a hard time rejection for 42,000 because we break to the downside. Okay, we will have a hard time breaking again inside the 42k level. So that's the price that we need to pay when the Russians dump on us, right? The Russians and the stocks got dumped, and you see once the stock is dumped, Bitcoin follows the stock market. Okay, so I hope it is clear for us that Bitcoin always follow the stock market. Let me show you the stock market. All are red right now. The DXY, the Apple. Okay, the DXY 4-hour time frame, we already broke the DXY to the downside. Okay, this is good thing right here. If it already broke to the downside in our DXY, we can expect more to the downside. Okay, because this one is 200 moving average, so we are already entering the bear market for the DXY, the dollar index. Okay, so which means if the dollar goes down, Bitcoin goes up. Okay, pam param pam pam. There will be a pam param pam pam for our Bitcoin. Okay. Okay. So look at the Apple. It's bloody red right here. It also got dumped yesterday. Okay, this is yesterday's candle. Okay. The market is not yet open. It's 10:30 to open this market right here. Okay, another one. Netflix, Tesla, all are below. Okay. So gold was the one only pumping. Okay. The gold was pumping. Okay. Because when the stocks go down, the gold goes up. Okay. Because the gold, either you have a physical gold or you have a stocks in gold. Okay. You can do that also. Okay. Okay. So either you get some gold, you buy some Rolex. Okay. Rolex is also a good commodity. Okay. Because the prices goes up as the years goes by. Okay. The watch of my grandpa was just 100,000 when I was a kid. And when I checked the Rolex this time, it's already 400 to 500,000. Okay, you just know how much the price grew. Okay, it's going up. Okay, okay. So going back, this is our VPVR right here working. Okay, and we find support in this area 40,000. Okay, so we're gonna hold this 40,518. Okay, this is a strong volume also in this area. If we go down, then let the 200 moving average do its magic. Okay, okay, so that's the basic technical analysis you can learn. So now let's go to our news. Hello everyone. Hello Mary, hello Melody, hello Ram. Yeah. Okay, hello. Thank you for joining us again today. I hope all is well with you. Okay, so right now let's check some news. Okay, what's the news? First, our Bitcoin dominance has dropped to 42%. Okay, price declines below 43k and the Bitcoin dominance drops to 42%. What does this mean? That it means that the market cap of Bitcoin has dropped and the dominance, meaning whenever the Bitcoin moves, its effect on other altcoins, when it is not a Bitcoin, it's altcoin. Okay, alt means alternative coin from Bitcoin. So the Bitcoin is the heaviest, just like in our relativity in Einstein's formula in our universe, right? That in our solar system, the heaviest will be the one attracting all the planets. So since the sun is the heaviest in the gravity, so his gravity of the sun pulls all the planets towards him. So the planets rotates around the sun. So just like the sun is the biggest mass, so is Bitcoin is the biggest mass in the cryptocurrency. Okay, so whenever Bitcoin moves, just like the law of gravity, Bitcoin pulls everything. Ethereum, XRP. You look at this one. You look at these coins right here. All are red. Okay, red. Okay, so all are following the same path to Bitcoin. Okay, let me show you something. So let me show you the... Where is our... Here. Awesome oscillator. This is our awesome oscillator, right? So you can see we all went down here. This is going down here from our awesome oscillator. And look at our all the other coins. Okay, these are the coins right here. So it's all also going down. The volume also open to the downside. Okay, in our awesome oscillator. Okay, so all opening to the downside, following the footstep of Bitcoin. Okay, the same thing happened here. Okay, so this is the altcoins opening all to the downside. Okay, that's what we are looking at right now. So going back, that's what Bitcoin dominance is talking about. Let me show you. Our Bitcoin dominance right now is going up again. We hit the 42,000, 42% I mean. our all-time high is 43.7. Okay? How do you grow the Bitcoin dominance? When people accumulate Bitcoin. Okay? When people hodl Bitcoin, Bitcoin becomes more powerful. Okay? So whenever you lock a fund for your Bitcoin and put it to your hard wallet, then you are growing the Bitcoin dominance. Okay? The hodlers are the one strengthening the Bitcoin dominance. So if you hodl Bitcoin, then you are one of the contributor of the Bitcoin dominance. Okay? So here, this is the 200 moving average. We are still bullish. Okay? We are still above. Okay? So nothing to worry yet. And our volume is still strong here. Okay, so we found support in this area, 42.25% up to here. Okay, the bottom for this one is here, 41.97, and it fits perfectly in our 200 moving average. Okay, and our VPVR. Okay, they complement each other. So we are hoping that this is already the bottom, and we'll start climbing up again. Okay. Okay, as the dollar goes down, the dollar is below 200 moving average, is entering the bear zone on the DXY, so we can expect Bitcoin to go up. Okay? Okay, so what do we have here? Okay, what do we have here? So that's the news for Bitcoin dominance. Okay, Bitcoin market dominance decline. So we are still declining from 43 to 42.51. Okay, losing footing at 44k. Okay. And as long as we are not below 200 moving average, the bulls will just look at this one as buy the dip. Okay? As long as we are not crossing the 200 moving average, the bulls, whenever they look at this area, this is the buy the dip. Okay, buy it right now. This is sale right now. You cannot find 40,000 anymore. Okay, so many bulls will buy this area here. Okay, order more in this area. Because once you don't buy this area, they will start selling their position once it crosses the 200 moving average. Because it's entering the bear again. Okay, so either the bulls give up and then give time for the bears again to be part of the game, or they will try to hold this position to push the price to the upside. Okay? Okay. Okay. If you look at our... Okay, we're still in the news, okay? So, let's not go into details for now. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge dropped sharply along with other risk assets, but mines are buzzing like never before. Okay? So all are negative. The positive is RLY dash and NXO. Interesting, right? Joe Biden is expected to issue an executive order next week related to the regulation of cryptocurrency. Okay, there is another regulation. The executive order is expected to direct agencies to study both cryptocurrency and central bank digital currency, according to a report from Finance. Okay? So, cryptocurrency trader Justin Bennett tweeted that everyone is getting bearish at support again, huh? A break above here could be a very bullish development for Bitcoin. Okay? So unless we don't break the support, okay? Getting bearish at support again. So unless we don't break the support, then we still have, okay? We still have the fight. Okay? That is our news for today. Okay? Major resistance, major support 40,350, followed by 40k. Okay, so let's put that support right here. Major support 40,300. Okay. 300. This is a major support right here. And then the other one is 40. Major resistance. Okay, another one is 40. Okay, these are the major support, and our major resistance will be 41, 41.6 and 42.2. Okay, let's add this one. 41. That's a major resistance there, and we are getting a resistance in that area right now. Okay, we can get cross, right? It's a major resistance. The next one is 41.650. Okay, 41.650. Okay, this is the next resistance. I'm just plotting from this news, okay? Their support and resistance, 42.250. So we can compare it to our support and resistance. 42.250. 42.250. Okay. That is our news for today. Hello, hello. Hello, Jeremy, San Jose. How are you? Hello, Julia Rivera. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Welcome, okay? Welcome. You are most welcome in our community. And for those who are not yet part of our community, make sure to be part of it. Scan that QR code right there and join our community. Okay? Okay. So, join our community right here. Hello, Mai. Okay. So, if you want signals, we give signals in our practical, okay? In our community free, you can get daily BTC forecast and live technical analysis. That's what I'm doing right now, okay? And then for our practical, this is the practical group here. So here, practical. So people are making profit here also. And we have analyst here, like Sir Ian, okay? So he's also excellent analyst also, okay? So there are so many people who give signals here, and people make money also here, okay? So this is the practical. We give signals at least 2 signals daily, okay? So profit. Okay. And then if you have capital, this means you are putting it in your Ulian wallet, okay? You are putting it in your Ulian wallet. Ulian exchange, okay? You are trading this. You are not giving it to people, okay? You are still holding your funds, okay? And so if you have this kind of investment, you will be invited in our practical group, okay? And if you don't know how to join, then just ask our welcomer how to be part, okay? Okay. And so, you will benefit from live technical analysis, daily signals, beginner courses. The beginner courses is every Tuesday and Thursday, okay? We want you to learn how to fish yourself, okay? You will develop and you'll be able to make money on your own. We will give you the tools, okay? We will give you the skills that you need. We will equip you so you can look at the market and you will be confident also, okay? Because following signal also needs at least you know something about the market. Because if you follow signals blindly, you might misunderstand the signal, okay? Okay, so this is for the practical. And if you have greater than 500, we are about to edit this one. So greater than 500 above in your wallet, as we grow your capital, right? We will include you in our exclusive membership. Okay, so in this exclusive, you will have more than 2 signals, okay? Because there will be exclusive signals. And in your trading, you will have a one-on-one review. Okay, so if your trading failed, so we can assess it. What happened? Or how can we improve this one? Okay, and there will be advanced courses. Okay, so these are the benefits. At least you trade here for 14 days in Ulian. Okay, here at least you're active 7 days. Okay, so if you are not active here for 7 days in trading in Ulian, It's okay if you're not active in the chat as long as you're active trading in Ulian, okay? Because if you are not active, then you will be removed in the group, okay? So we hope that you will be active also in our Ulian, because our Ulian also is the one also sponsoring our live stream and all. So to make it more sustainable, okay? If you like what we are doing, then you support us by doing it, okay? By trading in Ulian, okay? The signals that we give are tradable in Ulian, okay? So and if you are in the exclusive, you will be able to see this kind of plenty of signals right here, okay? So we will be able to share to you these signals, okay? The different coins, watching all these coins, so you too can make money in this market, okay? Okay, so let's now continue our analysis. So hello Lara, hello Gabriel. So and we have a raffle also. Check our description, okay? How to join. You can comment 20 USDT, okay? So that you can join our live stream, our raffle every Sunday, okay? So there will be 5 USDT winner, 10 USDT winner, and 20 USDT winner, okay? So just make sure that you have your Ulian account open and that you are also active in our community, okay? And you have shared our live stream in other groups, okay? Make sure you share it, okay? Okay, so now let's check our Bitcoin. So in our weekly time frame, we have already entered. We are still inside the awesome oscillator, right? Oh, sorry, the Ichimoku cloud. Okay, in our Ichimoku cloud, we are already inside the cloud, okay? In our weekly time frame, we are inside the cloud, but we are bouncing perfectly in 0.618. Okay, that's where our bounce stopped in 0.618. This is a good bounce right here. Okay, so if you have my signal with you in the morning, I gave you a signal of 40,320 entry, long position. Okay, I told you if it breaks below, then 39938 for the short position. So this is our entry for the long, and if you entered it, then you are already in profit, okay, for long position, okay, because that's already the bouncing area. Okay, so this is for our weekly time frame, and our VPVR finds support in this area also. Okay, there is a strong support in 39.7. Okay, so we will be most probably bouncing. Okay, let's pull out. Let's pull out our Caterpillar. In our Caterpillar, we are just starting to accumulate again, to consolidate. Okay, let's move the PVR, and then let's hide some keep the trace there, and let's hide that. Okay, right here. Let's hide the Ichimoku. So this is the Caterpillar right here. Okay, we call it Caterpillar. This is RSBVB. Okay, what it does, it constricts first and then moves massive. Constrict and then massive movement to the upside. Okay, so after the constriction, massive movement to the upside. Right here, it constricts. Okay, and then move to the upside. But not that massive, right? So right here, we are trying to constrict again. Okay, we are just in a healthy. We are just close in the middle, okay, of the RSBVB, and then after that one, we're gonna move to the upside again. Okay, you just take note that the massive move right here, this constriction right here, let me pull out the ruler. After the constriction, it moved. After the constriction, it moved. Okay. It moved 729% after the constriction, okay? So it's not even accurate pull. And right here, after the constriction, we just made a move of 368%. So that's not even, that's 50% of the massive move. So it's not yet, okay? There is still waiting, we are still waiting for that massive move right there. So after this constriction right here, we can expect more for the movement to the upside, okay? Okay. Let's gonna hide this. Okay. So right now, we are just in a healthy. We are attracted in the middle, so we're gonna continue to go to the middle, okay? So you just always remember that before going to the upside, okay? Always take note of this. Before going to the upside, there will always be a fake out to the downside and then goes to the upside, okay? And as you can see here, we are doing the same thing. Fake out to the downside and we're gonna continue to the upside, okay? That's a possibility right there, okay? Let me find another one. This is our constriction. It went down and then continued to the upside. It's respecting this middle of the caterpillar right here. And this is the first time that it crossed again. So just this little and then went up again. Once it starts to be green, then we can expect this line in the middle. Once it starts, then it can become again bullish, okay? So we are only looking at this as accumulating it, okay? Accumulation phase. Hello, Cassandra. Okay, thank you for joining us. Okay. So from here, we are going to the daily time frame. Our daily time frame is the same story. We are constricting. Okay, we are still constricting. We are still very healthy. Okay, the volume is getting lower because we are preparing for the massive move to the upside. Okay, so nothing to worry. Okay, daily time frame. Then from this daily time frame right here, if we remove the RSVP, okay, let's check RSVP in 4 hour, the caterpillar. In our 4 hour, we found also support here. Okay, so we are bouncing again and go back on track. Okay. Okay. So, but if we don't hold this one, then we can continue to see to the downside. Okay. On our time frame, also having this massive movement right here. I hope this is just a fake out, but if not, then we can continue to see movement to the downside. Okay. Okay, let's move the RSI. Let's check what the 4 hour time frame. So how are you going to trade this one? You need to pull out the fib retracement. Okay, so this is a shorter fib retracement here. Okay, another fib retracement is the bigger. Okay, from here, from the previous all-time high here, and then to bottom, the swing high and to swing low. And you remove this little fib here, and you can find that from this top to this bottom right here, we are perfectly resting in our here. We are perfectly resting in our 0.618, okay, 40,320. Okay, so this is a strong support here, plus our 200 moving average. But let me tell you, this 200 moving average is not that strong, okay? Because if you remember what I told you, once it's flattening, that's easy to break. Okay? A support, a moving average that is flattening is easy to break. Okay? So this 200 moving average is so flat. Flattening slope. Easy to break, okay? We cannot expect much from this 200 moving average. I told you, you can easily get a rejection once you have a steep slope, okay? A slope, okay? A slope, descending slope, like this one. Once you touch it, you bounce right away. You got rejected right away to the downside, okay? Because that is a strong slope right there. Okay, support right, resistance right there. But if we have this kind of support in 200 moving average, you think it can hold water? Okay, so most probably we're gonna drop and then bounce again. Okay, if we don't bounce right away, then what happens is we're gonna enter this zone right here, bearish zone. Okay, this is the bearish zone. So we're gonna make this our trading area. We entered here, then we're gonna get rejection and then goes here. So if the bulls gave up already, so we're gonna retest this area right here. So gonna retest, bounce again. Okay, so that's gonna wait. We're gonna wait longer again for our bull market. Okay, so this is for our 4-hour time frame Bitcoin. Okay, so from here, how are you going to trade this one? The signal that I gave, let me show the text. The entry is still applicable, okay? Because we haven't broken really the 41,000 support resistance. This one, 41,000. We haven't broken this one. And you should have already sold it. Once you touch the 41,000, you should have sold it also. Okay? Because we are going in the weekend. And weekend, there is no volume. Okay? So, if you ask me, there is no volume on the weekend. So, we can expect, if we hold this area, okay, we hold this area. So, we can expect, if this one continues to pump, and we can enter again our bull market, okay, bull zone. So we can probably just consolidate in this area, okay, if we are able to enter. But this is already hard to, okay, it's hard to enter again 41 and 42. Okay, hello to our 18 viewers, thank you for joining us today. Okay, so how are we going to trade this one if this is the case? Okay, so if you want to trade this area right here, I'm gonna send you the signal in our trading, in our practical trade, okay, practical group. But from here, you can already observe how to trade this one. Okay, this is the double top, this is the breakout. Okay, this is the breakout. So if we break out to the downside, you can short it. But if we don't, let me tell it this way. This one is accumulation phase. This one is distribution phase. This one is redistribution phase. If that is redistribution phase, it's gonna go down again. And then start accumulation phase again. And then goes up again. Okay, Wyckoff market cycle here. The Wyckoff market cycle there will always be accumulation, reaccumulation, distribution, redistribution, and then accumulation phase again. Okay, so if we are in the Wyckoff market cycle, in every market, you can always say this one. If we already found this area, if you look at this one, this looks like a, okay, let me encircle this one. So you know what I'm talking about, okay? Okay, here. Okay. Look at this one here. This market right here. Okay, this market right here. You can look at this as a Wyckoff market cycle. You can compare it to our weekly time frame, which is this one. And you'll be surprised, it looks alike. Okay? Can you see it with me? Okay, this circle right here, accumulation, reaccumulation, distribution, and then accumulation, reaccumulation, distribution, redistribution, and then accumulation. Okay, look at the 4-hour time, 1-hour time frame. Okay, here. This one is the accumulation. Oops. This one is the accumulation, reaccumulation, distribution. Okay, the 4-hour time frame. Okay. And right now, we entered again accumulation. And then distribution. And then if this doesn't hold, this will be a redistribution. And then goes down and then goes to accumulation again. So we can continue to go up. Okay? But if this holds, this becomes accumulation. Okay, so we can create again another distribution. And then another accumulation. And then the same thing until we go to the upside. Okay? That's a normal trend. So from there, if you draw a line, then you can see a line like this one. Here and okay. Here. Okay, slowly going up. Okay, slowly going up. Okay, that's how it would look like. Okay, so you cannot expect one straight line to the upside like that one. No, that doesn't happen. Okay, there will always be a Wyckoff market cycle. Okay. Hello, Blair. Oh, thank you for joining us. Okay. So from here, you can see. You cannot see it anymore. It's so disturbing, right? So many charts, so many drawings, sir. RJ. Okay, let me delete all. I am just showing you how it would look like. Okay, so let's open a new Bitcoin chart. So my point is, I hope you got my point, that we are in the market, Wyckoff market cycle. If we hold this one, then cheers. If we don't, then it's okay. Okay, we're gonna bounce anyway. We just need to find that Wyckoff market cycle. Okay. So this is our chart right here. We find support. We find support here. We'll have at least okay. I have ordered already a mouse. I already ordered mouse in Shopee. My mouse is already failing. Good that Shopee is there, right? Even though you cannot get out from your place, you can order right away. Okay, so we can expect from here, we can scalp. Okay, so if I will be sharing a signal, the specifics, this is our bouncing area and this is our rejection area. Okay, we might get rejected in that area, so our trading area for this weekend will be this one. Okay, this is our zone. Okay, welcome to another zone. Let me here. Okay, we most probably gonna stay in this zone right here up to Sunday. Okay, so if we break it to the upside, then well and good, but if not, then we're gonna continue to consolidate in this area. 1 hour time frame, we can also find rejection here. Okay, another rejection area right here. Either we take profit here for 1,350, for 1,863. Okay, that can be a good take profit area also for waiting for the 42,000. Okay, that's it. Pansit. Okay. So, Amaya. Oh, hello to our 21 viewers. Thank you for joining us today. Okay. So, this is for our Bitcoin. Okay, let's check other coin. Let's check Ethereum. Do we have any suggested coin here? Let me see if we have suggested coin. Okay. We will check your suggestion. Okay, no suggestion for coin. So let's check Ethereum. ETH. Okay, our Ethereum went down. Our Ethereum went down to over 200 moving average. Entered the bear again. That's sad, right? So all are hoping already for Ethereum. And just a blink of an eye, went down. Okay. So we might find this one. Descending triangle. Then breaks to the upside. Okay. That's possibility also. Okay. This is 1 hour time frame. So you can see that movement right there. This is 4 hour time frame. This is our resistance area. Okay. So if we break this, 32,000, 3,280. Okay. Another rejection area right here. We can get rejected here. Okay. If you pull out our VPVR, we can find support. What is our support? Our support is... Okay, our support is right here. Okay. We're currently holding this area. Hard to break is this one. So it's indeed we can have a hard time breaking the 3,050 again. Okay, we might again get rejection easily here. Okay. And found support in this 2,856. Okay. If we break this area right here to 8, then we can fall back to 2,789. Okay, that's the worst for our Ethereum. But you see our trading area. What's our trading area from here? Let me put line. We are currently in a rejection area, okay? This is our rejection area right here, 0.618. We went below the 0.618. Okay, this is 4 hour time frame. By the way, I was looking at 1 hour time frame. It's not yet in the bear zone. This is 1 hour. Sorry about that one. 4 hour time frame, we are still bullish. Okay, we are still in the bear bull market, okay? We have found support in our 200 moving average, so we can expect more to the upside. Hello, Ray. Hello, Amaya, for joining us. Okay, so we have found support here. So this is a good bouncing area here. So we are hoping that our 200 moving average will start moving like this one, the upside. Okay, if it starts moving to the upside, then that's a good sign for the bulls. Okay, but if it goes flat, then that's easy to be broken. Okay, if it goes flat, it can break easily. Okay. Okay. So we are now in a hopium mode. Hopium that we will be able to break the 2933. Okay, so if I will be giving you signal, let me find our awesome oscillator. Remove this one. Our awesome oscillator doesn't show a thing for us. Okay. Just this double tap here, M pattern. We have already broken this M pattern right here. 1 hour time frame. This is M pattern. Okay, and the price target for this one is from top, bottom. Price target. We already hit the price target. Okay, from the double top. So meaning we are forming again a new trend. We are just hoping that we will be able to break this resistance here. Okay, this resistance. Okay. So in 1 hour time frame, we are seeing a new uptrend, up to the upside. We are seeing okay. Okay. This looks like a double bottom here. You see the double bottom with me? Okay. Then the breakout. Let me pull out the breakout target. The breakout area. Okay, if that is a breakout area, our price target will be from bottom to top. Price target will be above. Okay. This is our price target for this. Okay. 2987. Okay. This is what we are expecting here. Oh, hello, Ray. Okay. 987. So we cannot enter 3K right away, but at least we know we are going to enter this one here. Okay. So for our Ethereum, we are expecting this one. Okay. So if you want our specific signal, then our entry for this one is here, and then our take profit will be from to here. Our W pattern, double bottom. Okay, double bottom. Here, bullish double bottom. Okay, so this is double bottom bullish. We can expect it to go to the upside right here. Okay. Okay, that's a good end. Okay, so I'm gonna give you the signal in our community. Okay, practical for the specifics. Okay, so these are our TA for today. We're gonna just check this two for today. Okay, and we're gonna add now our raffle. Okay, since there is no suggestion and our community is growing. We are already in 96 subscriber. Okay, so I hope you already subscribed. We are already 98 subscriber. Wow, that's fast. Knowing that our previous channel got liquidated, right? YouTube liquidated our channel when I used the voice of Wojak. YouTube doesn't like the voice of Wojak. Okay. So we have 98 subscriber. Let's go to 1,000 subscriber. Okay? Invite people to subscribe and we'll give some reward, okay? They don't know, we'll give some giveaways, maybe some phone, something, okay? So we don't know. That can come from me, okay? As your live streamer, I would be glad to share also. Okay? Okay, from here, let me check who joined our. If you want to join our raffle, then you can type 20 USDT. Okay. So Myla Ranido again is 20 USDD. She's having hard time with this one. Okay. Myla Ranido. Okay, I'm giving a space. Okay, so you know that this is our new start. Ben Myro. Ben Myro was gold in our raffle, but she's not present, so she didn't won. She was not able to comment within 10 seconds. Okay, so make sure in our raffle on Sunday you are present, okay? Because if you are not present, you will not receive your reward and we will give it to someone who is present. Okay? And then next is Mia. Okay. RA. We just hope that you have your Ulian account, okay? Because once you win the raffle and you don't have your Ulian, how can you claim your prize if you don't have Ulian account? Okay? RVL. RVL. Okay. Matthew, Klein. Angela. Okay. Angela Purell. Okay. El Negro. Peace Bruce Cassandra. Okay. Peace. Peace Bruce. Don Anyora. Don Anyora. Okay. Miranda, Melody Rogando. Mary Madeleine. Okay. Then Hill. Every day is a new entry, okay? So the more entry, the more chances of winning. Okay, so if you enter more, then more chances of winning. Okay, welcome Julia, okay, in our community. Okay, Gabriel. Okay. Dan ya Rivera there okay. Amaya Chin Faye Belen Dan Anyora Dan Sir, default lang din po ba FIB setting? Yes, yes. The setting for FIB is just default, okay? No need to change. Okay? Ram Miranda. Okay, Ram Miranda. Christian Legaspi. Christian Legaspi is also one of our winner. Legaspi. Okay? So here, it's just bringing your luck every Sunday, okay? So once you have your luck, then you will be able to win, okay? Okay, that's all for our entries. Okay? So John Anyora is already here. You can just comment once for 20 USDT. We will check it all. Okay, so this is our entry for today. Okay. All the best, everyone. All the best. Thank you for joining us. So stay safe always, okay? And trade safer. Don't forget, if you want our signal, join our practical group by just putting 100 to 500 USDT in your Ulian account, okay? So you can ask questions in our Telegram community, okay? All the best. Cheers, okay?